Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. Welcome to the channel. Remember recently, a couple of weeks ago, I called out power mining as a scam. And I just out of curiosity decided to check on their app today. And I saw that pop-up information. It popped up on my screen actually. The moment you open the app, it will pop up. But now it's in the notifications and I want us to read it together. Okay. Da 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 da. Now they said significant progress in upgrading. So apparently they have been doing an upgrade of their withdrawal system. Look at it. Withdrawal system. Significant progress in upgrading the withdrawal system in the banking system. Withdrawal system in the banking system. I have done a lot of work on this YouTube channel. And I think it's about time you guys gave me my flowers. I have always told you guys, deposit never has any problem in a Ponzi scheme. Never. It has never happened. MMM has collapsed, going to up to a decade. But I'm sure if you can access the website, the deposit button will still be fully functional. Have you ever seen a notification on any app or any website telling you that they are working on their deposit system? It is always a withdrawal system. Do you know why? Because there is no way of making money. Okay, there's no way of making money. They don't like that you are withdrawing because there is no money to withdraw. There's no business, there's no mining going on, there's no trading going on, there's no money on ground. Peter is being robbed to pay Paul. But it's not easy to rob. And they know that if they tell you that it's a referral program, you will call it a pyramid scheme, you will run. So they will tell you, you don't have to refer. We are mining, we are trading. It is when you want to withdraw that it becomes a problem for them. They start running helter-skelter, looking for money to pay you. That is why they always preach compounding to you. Compound, don't withdraw. Compound, don't withdraw. Now, you see these people, they say they are upgrading the withdrawal system in the banking system. System everywhere. Now they say, dear Paul miners, who is a Paul miner? What is Paul? Say the withdrawal system will be completed within 30 hours. People's money are hanging now. We would like to thank Mr. Jimo, CBN System Policy Director. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Does anybody believe this? The Mr. Jimo has no surname. He has no father. He fell down from heaven. Mr. Jimo. No middle name, nothing. CBN Payment System Policy Director. They know that if you want to Google that position, Google will tell you error. Such an office does not exist. Now they say, and Mrs. Ronke Shokefun, former NDIC board chairman. Former NDIC board chairman. Former NDIC board chairman. Why are you dealing with the former NDIC board chairman? The NDIC does not have a current chairman. So, you see, they are just trying to tell you that this is another way of telling you your money is gone. Now, you know what they now did here? They say this upgrade also affected the work experience of some members. Now, to express our apologies, Power Mining has launched a new machine with significant discount. Look at it. Now, this is what they wrote. But you know what it is when a Ponzi scheme has reached saturation. New money is not coming into the system. I once told you guys that there are two ways new money comes into the system. It's either the money comes from new people. Now, if recruitment has slowed down and new people are not coming into the system with new money, the company will look for a way to task old people of new money. Now, they will freeze your former investment. We cannot continue to process withdrawal on that one. Then they will look for a way to collect new money from you by bringing a new product. They will tell you old things have passed away. Let us assume we are just meeting each other now. This is a new investment we are giving you. Oh yeah, bring money. Let the circulation continue. This is what they have done here. There's no money to pay power mining people again. They have brought another one. They say to express our apology. Who are you apologizing to? Is apology a part of the agreement that you had with your people? You are apologizing. It's just the same thing. These guys, they don't change their format. It's the same thing. So when we tell you it's a scam, for you to prove us wrong, show us a way the company is making money. Don't put all your trust on a website. The ISA 2015 Act, the ISA 2015, the new bill that was passed to law, Investment and Securities Act 2025, it is really working. Kudos to the federal government. Maybe this is why many of these Ponzi schemes will decide to start running away, because they know that the federal government is going to come hard on them. So I believe that is why power people decided that, Omo, we have made enough money. It is time to run away. After all, it's just a website with an application. No face behind it, nothing. They are just collecting your money and giving it to another person. Let's stay woke, guys. This one is gone. This one is gone. I don't feel any sympathy to all those who ignore the warnings of the authorities and still fall for schemes like this. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, it's bye for now.